Today I'm going to show you how to get logged in to your Google account and access any documents your educator has shared with you. When you first get logged onto the computer, to get to your Google account, the first thing you're going to want to do is to open the Firefox web browser. So to get there, I'm going to click on my Start button. And it may show up in the list here, but if you don't see it there, you can always click in the search bar and type F-I-R-E and then look for Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a web browser. When you first open Firefox, it may ask you if you want it to be your default browser. You can just click no to that question. Sometimes it also may ask you if you want to import bookmarks, and you can choose no to that question as well. Once you have Firefox open, you can go to the Coppell webpage. You can do that by clicking in the address bar. That's where you'll type in the URL or the address you want to visit. And the address you want to visit to get to your Google account is www.coppellisd.com. Once you've entered www.coppellisd.com, you can press enter on the keyboard, and that will take you to the Coppell webpage. Again, it's www.coppellisd.com. Now you are on the Coppell homepage, and you should notice a yellow flag that says Students. This is where you can click to access some things for students, including Google Apps. Google Apps is what you'll want to click if you're trying to get to your Google account to access documents your teacher has shared with you, or to create your own documents that you need for class. So click on the yellow student flag and then click on Google Apps. Once you click on the Google Apps link from the yellow student flag, it's going to have a little green box on the left side and ask you for your username and password. This is going to be the same username and password you usually log on to the computer with. It's a good idea after you enter your password to uncheck the Stay Signed In box. It's not a big deal as long as you remember to log out of your account when you're done, but that will help the computer not keep you signed in just in case you forget. Once you've done that, you can click Sign In. Firefox may ask to remember your password. You can just click this tiny little X to say that you don't really want it to remember your password this time. When you first log into Google Apps, it may come up with a screen like this that asks you to accept the terms of agreement. You can click the big blue button that says I accept continue to my account. Sometimes it will also have one of those weird little phrases for you to type before you click the blue button. If that happens, try to type it the best you can or ask your teacher for help. Today we're going to be using Google Drive, but instead of clicking here where it says Drive, I'm actually going to go up to my top of my screen in this black menu bar and click Drive here. I have had better success with that working. Google Drive is where you can create documents to share with your teacher, or your teacher can create documents to share with you. If any other little things pop up, like this little box, you can use the tiny little X in the box to close them. You do not need to click the blue button that's Download Drive for PC. That's not something you need to do at school. What you'll notice on the left side is you have a red Create button. If you click it, that will let you make a folder, a document like you're typing in Word, a presentation kind of like PowerPoint, a spreadsheet kind of like Microsoft Excel, a form, or a drawing kind of like Windows Paint. Those are the options you have when you click on Create. When you click on Shared with Me, you should see any files that are shared with you. This is where your educator can share some things with you, but also where other learners may share them with you. Anything shared with me can be found in the Shared with Me menu. When you're done working in Google Drive, it's very important that you sign out of your account. This keeps your account information secure and makes sure no one else has access to your information. So before you close Firefox, it's important to go up to the top right corner where you see your username and email address, click the small arrow, and then click Sign Out. When you sign out, you're protecting your account. So again, a quick review. When you want to go to Google to see what your teacher has shared with you, you click on the Start button. You open Mozilla Firefox, You choose no to the default browser and no to the bookmarks. You go to www.coppellisd.com. Click on the Students flag, click on Google Apps, and log in with your account information. Uncheck the Stay Signed In box and click the Sign In button. Do not let Firefox remember your password. Click on Drive in the top menu bar. Click on Drive or Shared with Me depending what you're looking for, or use the Create button to make a new document. When you are finished, don't forget to sign out in the top right corner. Click your username one time and then click Sign Out. Then you are safe to close Firefox and safe to log off of the computer.